for anyone who is new on here, go through the steps, the processes, work, and immerse yourself. Just even if you're just listening on Tuesdays and Thursdays, just when you immerse yourself in those things, you can't help but learn and get better. And so
Thank you.
I just kind of want to say thanks, because we've already hit our annual goals, and I think we've been in the program 4 months.
That's
So
awesome. And
it works, and sometimes it takes new thinking to certainly change old guys like me, with gray hair, kind of the way they were doing. So just hats off, and continued success to everyone who's on here.
Thank you. And if I could add something to that as somebody, and I don't want to I know this might sound silly, but you're in the world of insurance, and you guys don't know how bad it hurts, making the wrong decision on something like insurance until you've been burned by, and I'm not blaming anybody. It was my decision. But I did exactly what he's talking about with a vehicle, and this was 2004. And it was the first really expensive vehicle that I ever bought. And I was like, oh my goodness, when I looked at the premiums, and I was younger and less mature, but I didn't have, and this was even back in 2004, there was a way on a website that I could self-select, and I was unskillful. And I was like, whoa, if I just change this, this, and this, and this, and this, right? Oh man, my premium went way down. Well, unfortunately for me, I needed to use that insurance. And then I found out all of those boxes that I had unchecked, and it turns out I was out of pocket over $38,000 because I had checked certain boxes and this and that and replacement value. It was a mess, right? And I own that. I'm not a victim, right? I own that I made a stupid decision. However, right, maybe I could have been more skillful if I was connected with a person like David, and David was like, I hear you, I understand, right? I get it. I just want to make sure that you're aware of something, okay? This is a V12 engine. This is a CL600 vehicle. This vehicle is X amount of dollars. It's also, the blue book value is going to depreciate way down, right? And if you are in a collision, any insurance carrier with the way this policy is written, they're just going to give you up to blue book value and not replacement value for that vehicle. As long as you're okay with that, I'm okay with that. I work for you. We'll get you in whatever policy, but I just want to make sure that you're aware of, if something happens, you could be out of pocket north of $25,000, $30,000, $35,000 trying to replace a vehicle that the market is saying worth something, and you owe a lot more than that, right? And that's where no AI is going to help facilitate that discussion. And in your case, David, with insurance, and I know you, and by the way, I'm super proud of you guys for knocking it out of the park in terms of your numbers. I love that. I'm super proud that I get to be a part of that. But the other thing that I'm really proud of, and please pass this on to your team as well, it's all the people that didn't do business with you as well. When you go through a good sales process, at least you can sleep well at night knowing that you did everything you possibly could to inform them, and you weren't pressuring them, but they made an educated decision based on the stuff. They looked at it and it's not right for them. At least you can sleep good at night going, I understood them, I diagnosed, I prescribed, I did everything in my power to get them with the right policy. What really sucks is when an unskillful salesperson doesn't help somebody, and then that person is punished later on, and it's like, well, you didn't tell me this, or I wish this, or I wish that. So it's not just the people we're closing, guys, with the right process. We're also doing right by the people that don't close, because they're not getting any surprises. I'm not saying they're not getting bad news, but they're not getting bad news that they weren't clearly made, hey, this is a potential outcome that you need to be aware of. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're gonna love this. I'm gonna teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm gonna cover all the costs for you. We're gonna get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.